Okay, so I wanted to do a video to show you guys what I was talking about yesterday with respect to our ink pads. So a lot of our reddish hues and some of our dark hues. So by the reddish, I mean we've got a rich raspberry, sometimes our cherry cobbler, Mary Merlot. Some of our darker tones like our mossy meadow, some of the darker greens. Those are the ones I've had the main problems with. Some people have had a problem with the with Mango Melody, but I showed this to you yesterday. I don't know if Rebecca can get a good shot of that, but it's really mangy. It's just gross. And what's happening with these ink pads? Can you get that, dear? Yeah. With these ink pads is over time the ink breaks down, and so it separates whatever's in there. It separates and can cause some crystals. A lot of people think it's mold. It's not mold. Looks like mold. On this one, it's not, but it's broken down. But the ones that look moldy, they're actually some sort of crystals that are formed by the ink separating. And that's just the nature of the beast. So I'm going to try this and see how it works, because I've seen this on the internet a few places. So we're going to give it a go. I'm just going to run it under my tap. So welcome to my bathroom. And we're just going to get all this ink out of it. And why not? It's got yeah, I'm going to have pink fingers, but it's going to have a lot in there.
Police are going to be looking for you.
I know, right? It's like a crime scene. But we're going to take out as much of this ink as we can. Yeah, try not to, maybe we should protect our work surface here. Dad's going to wonder what the heck.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see how much ink was in there. Holy cow. Now, our re-inkers are $5. So it's cheaper than our ink pads, which are what, 10 and a quarter, she said? Not really knowing, but guessing really well. 10, 25, okay, that's really cold. Let's turn on a little bit. I'm using the cold water, but holy. So you just want to keep squidging it there. You can see if I push, it's saturated right on in there. Please don't splash on my walls. It did wash on the, oh well, it's water-based, it'll come out, but holy, we could sit here all day. I don't want to use another finger to speed it up, because, so I'm just, you can hear, I'm just squishing. Squeaky! Holy, how much ink was in here? Lots and lots. Those keeps coming. Now, I can feel the surface of this ink pad is not slimy anymore. Okay, I'm going in with my thumbs now. Time is money. So you're going to get as much of that ink out of there. It's the old ink. We're going to get it out. Oh my gosh. Will you be done soon? Well, I've got some paper towel here ready to go.
Okay,
Yeah.
real estate towels.
That's why we like black towels in our house.
Yeah. That's the only reason.
Yeah. Okay,
Not because you have children.
No. Who may or may not have used soap in the past. You can always tell. White hand towels are never a great option, but nevertheless. Okay, so it's getting there a lot. And I think that's good enough. Like this, let's just look at the surface here. Holy, yeah. Okay, oh my. Where's my bathroom
corner?
Probably. There's still some everywhere, but I'm going to re-ink it, so it doesn't have to be completely accurate. So what I'm going to do here is, okay, so we're going to give it a good old squeeze. Ugh. Wow. Okay.
You see your hands.
Yeah, right? Oh boy, oh boy. Ah. Well, it says it's water-based, but anyway. So I've got some paper toweling here, and I'm just going to dab it. Like, it's fine that I'm going to have, ugh. Okay. Seemed like a good idea. Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna use up a whole roll of paper towel here. Okay, well that looks a million times better right like that. So, I'll clean that after, or I'll pay a kid. Yes, that might be you. Okay, so excellent. That's fabulous. So, all right, I can take over now so that you can go back to doing your schoolwork.
Your hands are good?
Oh, sure. It's
Okay.
just my phone. Okay.
All right.
So let's go for a field trip. So thank you, Rebecca. All right, so here we're going back into the cave. and we're going to re-ink it. So that took 5 minutes. All right, so now, I'm not used to videoing with my phone. I probably should have you just hold it, but oh well. She's gone. Okay, so I'm taking my re-inker. Now this one, is this an old one or a new one? Oh, I gotta find my own post. Okay, hang on. So we do have new, this looks like one of our old inks, because look at the packaging of it. Now you can't use our old ink on the new re-inkers. So let me think. I might, January 16th I did a post for my friend Jackie, the Pampered Stamper, telling us about our inks, and so let's just do it together. Why would I be prepared ahead of time? I wouldn't. Where is that post? Hang on, it's coming, it's coming. There it is. Okay, so now how do I know? The number of the new re-inkers are 17274 or above. So I want to look at this number. 17274 or above. Or this is very old. Look at that. Okay, we're not going to use that because that doesn't have. Oh, okay. Hang on. I'm going backwards now. Oh Lord, I should have had Rebecca stay. Don't know what I'm aiming at. Sorry, Blackberry Bliss. If I don't have a new one, then I'm really hooped. Oh Lord, seriously? Rich Razzleberry. Is that what I'm doing, Rich Razzleberry? Okay. Yes, so these are old, that's our old packaging. So this one says, all right, 17274 or bigger. So this is the number we're looking at, 19155. This is an old one, 13098. Maybe that was a problem with, I don't know. Anyway, you want to use the new re-inkers on the new ink pads because these have a defoaming agent in them, and you need that with these foamy. Oh boy. Okay. All right, now I'm going to re-ink. So you just, I'm gonna dab a bunch of the water out of here. Okay. So seriously, this is not easy to do. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it while looking. Oh boy. All right, so I've got my, oh yeah, so we're just going to re-ink with one hand. Why did I dismiss her? I don't know. This is trippy. I'm seeing it through my camera and through my hand, so this is weird. Okay, and it's awkward. So we're just gonna keep re-inking it. So yeah, the re-inkers are like $5. Stock up right now, it's celebrations time. Becca, are you still here?
Yeah.
I need you back. I'm not very good at doing this with one hand.
Sure.
It'll just another 2 minutes. Can you just hold this?
Give me 1 sec. So I can try this with my face. I got most of it out of the sink.
Well, thanks, dear. Can you just hold? Like, I'm not even focused. I'm not centered. Thanks. So this will speed it up a lot. So I'm just going to run it along the top. It doesn't have to be saturated all the way through. Like, you just need a thin line of it, right? Like, no big deal. Then I'm gonna grab one of my multitude of spoons, and you just kind of, it's like icing a cake. You just move the ink kind of back and forth so it's somewhat evenly spread. And look at that. The gunge is gone. No gunges. Gunge free.
Angle it up the light a little bit more.
Let me try to stamp an image with that. Hang on. Thanks, sweetheart. Let's see. Let's just grab a quick image here and a piece of scrap paper and see how we did. Because before, these ink pads, it wouldn't accept any ink, right? Because it was so, okay, I have saved it. I think I'm just going to have some inky fun now, you guys, and I'm just going to re-ink all of my red inks, and yeah, it should be great for my mystery, or my Check It Out Tuesday tonight. So that's it. Re-ink your pads. This is the number you're looking for. It needs to be 17274 or higher. So this is one of our old ones, which I think I just threw away. Did I chuck it? Did anybody see what I did with it? No, there it is. This is the old number, 13098. So this is garbage. I'm going to check that. Yay. Okay, so there you have it. Thanks. See ya.